Open Security Summit, OSS, is a non-profit that focuses on the collaboration between developers and application security. For over a decade, the OSS has been a place where developers and application security experts unite to redefine cybersecurity. Traditionally hosted in the UK Centre Parcs Woburn Forest, the summit has evolved since COVID-19. Embracing the digital shift, we now connect virtually, bringing bi-monthly, high-energy sessions to your screens anywhere. OSS isn't a typical one-way conference. Each session is a deep dive into security challenges, designed for tangible outcomes, discussions, and intensive collaboration. From threat modeling to Gen AI and LLM, from CISO strategies to combating social engineering, APPSEC, privacy and data protection, risk and governance, our sessions span the most vital topics in security today. Engage with leading figures from OWASP, the global security community, and beyond. Expand your network, enhance your knowledge, and work together on today's most challenging security issues. Transform your expertise through hands-on sessions led by industry pioneers. Return armed with the knowledge, skills, and tools to make a real-world impact. One of many ways you can support OSS is by becoming a member. Whether corporates or individuals, membership opens a gateway to exclusive benefits. From company profiles on our website, social announcements and featuring to supporting OSS projects and even planting trees, your involvement makes an impact. The Open Security Summit is more than an event. It's a community-driven force for change in cybersecurity. Join us, become a member, and be part of shaping the future of cybersecurity. Visit our website to learn more, sign up for upcoming sessions, and become a part of the Open Security Summit. Let's advance the cybersecurity landscape together.